Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make gluten-free pasta with pesto. First, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Next, get a clean saucepan in which you will need to pour 5 cups of water. I'm using a mini eggs cup to measure out the water, which I think everyone gets for Easter, but if you don't have one, any mug is fine. Once this is done, turn on the stove and set it to a medium heat. Carefully place the saucepan over the fire. Put in 2 teaspoons of salt. This will season the pasta as well as help bring the water to a boil. Set your timer for 10 minutes. In the meantime, get a small plate and use it to measure out a layer of pasta. I'm using gluten-free pasta for this recipe, but you can use any pasta you have. Make sure you only have 1 layer of pasta in your plate, as this is the perfect measure for 1 person. Once the timer goes off, carefully put your pasta into the saucepan and put a lid on top. Again, set your timer for another 15 minutes. When the timer goes off, turn off the hob and drain your pasta using a colander. Be really careful as the water will be hot. Put your drained pasta back into the empty saucepan. Open your pesto. In this video I'm using green pesto, but you can use any pesto you like. Add 2 tablespoons of pesto into your saucepan and mix it all together. It's time to plate up. Carefully put your pasta into a large plate and season with any herbs or spices you wish to use. Hi guys, thanks very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with all your friends. If you're a teacher, check out the link in the description below where I've attached a data sheet so you can track the progress of your students. Thanks very much and see you again soon.